So one conundrum that Held has when it brings out new gear is finding names for the stuff. As you can appreciate, you know, there's only certain number of names that you can comfortably call things without venturing into something a little bit more bold. And here, I like this, we have the Zorro Jacket, as in chap who carves a Z on people's chest with a sword, and we have the Vader, as in Lord of the Darkness, Darth Vader, pants. And of course we have Rasta Mouse here, who is holding said gear.
Mouse of the hole.
So, what I see before me straight away in this light is lots of Scotch-Light on the front of these garments, which is going to light you up in the car headlights in an evening. So safety is a very good thing. And on the back as well, look at that. Now, if we open the jacket, one thing I do like about this is the lovely warm quilting inside that. Got a little bit of quilt. Look at that. That looks warm. And is that a large pocket I see before me there?
Couple of large pockets here, Stan. You've got one on that side, one on this side. Obviously that would nearly take your generic note or kind of other phone manufacturers are available, but it's a really substantial pocket to keep the old social media communicational device in, which is good. Because
sometimes, you know, pockets are not big enough and a bit fiddly in these outfits, but these are fantastic.
Also, while we're on the subject of pockets, there's a Nelson pocket on the inside of there, waterproof. Again, thing to say about waterproof pockets, we all put waterproof labels on them. If you want to be 100% sure that your product's not going to get damaged in any way, get yourself a little sandwich bag. Keep yourself a sandwich bag in there. If you've got anything valuable, wallet, mobile phone, things like that, pictures of the nearest and dearest.
Sandwiches?
Sandwiches, obviously. See, you started talking about food, Stan. We're going off on a tangent. Keep it in a sandwich bag. It's an old school method, but it works. And then obviously you've got no dramas whatsoever. You go out for the day, you take loads of photos, you come back, God forbid anything happens, you've left the pocket open, you've left the vent open, next thing you know, your phone's kaput and you've lost all your pictures. So whack a little sandwich bag, whack it inside there, job's a peach.
Right, quickly then, show us your pants.
Show us the pants. So, Zorro Jacket, the way forward, great. And a price point of, are you sitting down, Stanley? I think you are.
Okay.
£157.99.
Wow.
Guaranteed 2 years on everything. Stitching, waterproofing, zips, Velcro.
Okay. So that's waterproof?
Waterproof.
That's windproof?
Windproof.
Wow.
Less than 160 quid. On the grand scheme of things, that's a killer price point. So, pantaloons that match. First thing to notice, on what I would class as an entry-level pant, you don't normally find big, substantial anti-slip panel on the bum. You normally end up with two little patches either side.
Okay.
So this has actually got a proper rubberized grip section through the pant, so you're not going to slide up and down on the saddle.
Okay.
So, what else don't you find on a pant that's sub 150? Alright? Venting down the thighs. Big massive vent, so when you sit on the motorcycle, your leg flares the trouser out, direct airflow straight the way in. So you've got two of those. You've also got a little stash pocket on the side there, a little bit of change, whatever, I don't know what people keep in little pockets, Stan. What do you keep in your pocket?
Money for toll bridges.
There we go. Money for toll. Mouses don't do bridges, they just go underneath them. Remember that. So, you know, it's a great pant. It's got expansion above the top of the knee, contrasting materials there. It runs the CE armour. A big gusset on the bottom for going over boots, which is really important because obviously nowadays motorbikes are so different kind of genres. You've got your trailies, you've got your urbans, you've got your kind of commuters, you've got your scooters, you've got everything that fits in. They all wear different types of boot. We make different types of boots. So you need a big kind of aperture to get over the top of the boot. We do that.
So tell me the price.
You want to know the price?
Yes.
Oh, mate.
Of course I do.
£131.99. That's £131.99. Mate, it's a bargain.
Good stuff.
Whole suit, cheap as chips.